Parking made easy. Let's explore some helpful tips and tricks to become a master of parallel parking. It is crucial to know parallel parking is a reverse parking maneuver. To execute the maneuver safely, it is essential to first position your vehicle correctly. Remember, proper alignment makes all the difference. To begin, signal right. Then, align your back bumper with the back bumper of the vehicle parked in the parking space ahead. Be sure your vehicle is parallel and approximately 2 feet from the parked vehicle. Next, shift into reverse and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Then, back up until the back right corner of the parking space is centered in your rear-view mirror. Once you're centered, come to a stop. Straighten your wheels and reverse until your front bumper clears the back bumper of the car in front. Now, turn the wheel all the way to the left. Release the brake and hold the wheel left until you are in the space. Once in the parking space, straighten the wheel and center the vehicle as needed. To exit the parking space, reverse back to create distance between you and the vehicle in front. Turn the wheel all the way to the left, signal left, and check your left blind spot. Once clear, exit the parking space.